Welcome back to What's Next Garage. Today we're working on the 2013 Chevy Equinox, and we're taking all of the accessories and the wiring harness off of the damaged motor and putting them onto our new used motor. Stick around, here we go. Must be a block heater. Something, because there's no hole there. It's just bolted right in there. And the other engine doesn't have anything like that. Huh, that's garbage. I did a complete separate video on doing the timing chain, the water pump, and the crank seal gasket replacement on my channel. I'll link the video at the end, and I will also link it in the description below. Okay, we're just gonna run these down slow and then we'll get a torque sequence going. Let's go find out what that torque value is. This is gonna be funny, but 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 5, this is 6, and then this is actually 9, and then this is actually 10. And then on the non-oil fill we got 5, wait a second, 3. Everybody said 71 inch-pounds, so 71 inch-pounds. They actually only can tighten so far. So this is 1. Click. Okay. I marked it with the black line. Then I watched it pull down into the O-ring. All right. That's the throttle body gasket. I went 89 inch-pounds with those. The plugs look brand new. I'm pretty much all done with the engine. Everything I can do out here. It's gonna go into the car next. I believe I'm going to try it leaving the exhaust manifold on. The last time when I took it out, I took the exhaust manifold off. I think I'm gonna try it with it on. If it doesn't fit, I'll just pull it back out and we'll redo it. That's gonna do it for this episode of What's Next Garage. I'm gonna try hard to find the video footage from the reinstall, but I'm not having any luck. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.